In this video we're doing an CommBank Smart Rewards credit card honest review to help you understand whether it's a smart pick for everyday spending and rewards without the hype. The CommBank Smart Rewards card focuses on simplicity and steady points accumulation, letting you earn rewards on everyday purchases like retail, dining and travel with a flat earn rate that makes it easy to accumulate points without tracking rotating categories. Points can be redeemed for flights, gift cards, experiences or statement credits via the CommBank Rewards portal, giving you flexibility if you value choice over niche travel perks. The card also includes basic travel and purchase protections, which add utility without needing premium travel cards. One of the biggest appeals is that it doesn't overcomplicate rewards. If you want a straightforward system tied to a major bank with solid online management and broad acceptance, it fits that role well. However, if you're someone who chases outsized travel returns or boosted category earning, you might find the flat structure less exciting compared to cards with elevated earnings on travel or dining. Additionally, the actual value per point can vary based on how you redeem, so smart redemptions matter if you want to stretch value. Always weigh the annual fee against how often you'll use the rewards and perks, and check the latest terms directly with CommBank before applying. For clear, honest credit card reviews and tips that help you choose better financial products, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more insights that help you spend and earn smarter. Don't forget to subscribe for honest reviews and money smart tips you'll actually use.